Welcome to the Deep Dive with Farmtips Diary. Today, we're exploring an exciting frontier in farming, the digital marketplace. Selling crops online and navigating e-commerce platforms can open new doors for farmers. It offers the chance to reach buyers beyond your local community, find new markets, and boost profits. But stepping into online selling can feel overwhelming. Where do you start? How do you choose the right platforms? What are the best strategies to manage orders and build your brand? We're here to break it down. If you're new to this or looking to sharpen your digital selling skills, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell. We have plenty of helpful farm business tips coming your way. First, let's talk about finding and choosing the best digital marketplaces for your produce. There are many options, from large e-commerce giants to specialized farm-to-consumer platforms. Amazon, Etsy, and eBay allow you to sell almost anything, including farm products, but they might not be tailored to fresh produce. More niche platforms like Farmigo, Local Harvest, or Barn to Door focus specifically on connecting farmers with consumers. Research each platform's fees, audience, shipping policies, and seller support before committing. Look for marketplaces that fit your produce type and sales goals. For example, if you grow organic vegetables, a platform emphasizing sustainable products might be a better match than a general marketplace. Consider where your ideal customers shop and which platforms have the best reputation for freshness and quality. Next, setting up your online store and creating compelling listings is key. Your product pages should include clear photos, detailed descriptions, and honest information about your farming practices. Highlight what makes your crops special, whether it's heirloom varieties, organic certification, or local heritage. The more transparent and engaging your listing, the more trust you build with buyers. Pricing also matters. Consider your production costs, competitor prices, and shipping expenses when setting prices. You want to be competitive, but also profitable. Offering bundle deals, seasonal specials, or subscription boxes can attract repeat customers and increase sales. Managing orders and shipping efficiently is crucial for a good customer experience. Set clear expectations about delivery times and packaging. For fresh produce, proper packaging is essential to keep goods fresh and prevent damage. Partnering with reliable courier services or local delivery companies can make this smoother. You may also explore options like farmer cooperatives that handle bulk shipments to reduce costs. Customer communication is part of excellent service. Respond promptly to inquiries, provide updates on order status, and encourage feedback. Happy customers often become loyal customers and can recommend your farm to others. Expanding beyond local buyers is a major benefit of online selling. You can tap into national or even global demand if you can manage shipping logistics. Specialty crops, unique heirlooms, or value-added products like jams and dried herbs can travel further than fresh vegetables. Use social media marketing and email newsletters to grow your audience and announce new products or promotions. To keep your business growing, use tools to track sales, analyze customer behavior, and optimize listings. Many e-commerce platforms provide dashboards with key metrics like best-selling products, peak buying times, and customer demographics. Use this data to adjust inventory, pricing, and marketing strategies. Now, for some bonus tips to avoid common pitfalls. Avoid overcommitting on products you cannot deliver reliably. Stock management is critical. Overpromising and underdelivering harms your reputation. Also, be mindful of regulatory requirements for selling food online in your region, such as labeling, licensing, and safety standards. Invest time in building your online presence beyond the marketplace. A simple farm website, active social media accounts, and engaging content like videos or blogs help attract and retain customers. Showcasing your farm's story builds trust and loyalty. As you embark on or grow your digital marketplace journey, remember that success comes with patience, learning, and persistence. Experiment with different platforms, promotions, and products to find what works best for you. If you found this deep dive helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Farmtips Diary. Click the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Packed with practical farm business advice, we hope this exploration has been valuable. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. See you again on our next deep dive.